Hi, I'm Jessica Banks, reporting for Anderson University, and I'm here with Taylor Long, and she's going to be doing some mission work in Belize. Taylor, will you tell us about your mission?
Yes, we're actually going over to Belize to take supplies and things that people need to the people there. And one thing that's happening is we actually got donated 2,000 pairs of Nike sneakers. And these Nikes range from baby sizes to adult male sizes. They actually are going to end up weighing between 2,000 and 3,000 pounds. So we have to get them to Belize in 3 days. And we also have hurricane weather. So it's a big situation. There's a lot to think about.
So what kind of ships are you looking at to get these shoes to Belize?
We actually have 3 ships that have offered to take us. We have a cargo ship, so just your regular cargo ship freighter. We have a flat bottom boat, and we have a regular sailing ship.
So how did weather affect your decision on which boat to choose?
Well, like I said, we have hurricane winds coming up. So first thing we looked at was, will every ship sail? We found that the sailing ship will not, because the wind might blow in the wrong direction. And then we found that a flat bottom boat is actually created for still water and for rivers and lakes more so. So they actually have a tendency to take on water. We definitely didn't want to lose any sneakers. The cargo ships will sail through anything, and they will eventually land. There's been plenty of times that they've sailed through hurricanes and been fine.
Okay, so how did cargo space affect your decision making?
Well, like I said, the weight of 2,000 sneakers is between 2,000 and 3,000 pounds. So we really had to look at our cargo space and see what every ship can hold. The cargo ship can actually hold 25,000 tons of cargo at a time. So that was awesome. And the weight is evenly distributed, which was a big thing for us because we want the ship to stay afloat. The weight is spread from side to side and then front to back of the boat. And also they store the larger cargo at the bottom, so like the male shoes will be at the bottom so that the ship is not top heavy.
Oh, that's great. How did speed affect your decision?
Well, that was kind of the most important thing. Since we only had 3 days, if something's not going to get there, we definitely can't take that ship. The cargo ship goes 26.5 miles an hour, and it's going to take us about 1,323 nautical miles to get to Belize. So the cargo ship would get us there in about 50 hours, but the flat bottom ship can go 22 miles an hour, but it only goes about 12 to 14 miles an hour in the weather, so it goes back to that bad weather. So it would take us 95 hours to get there, so that wasn't really going to work out well for us.
So which ship did you end up choosing?
And we eventually went with the cargo ship. We definitely feel that it is created to hold the sneakers and hold the right amount. It will sail through the weather. We have no doubt it will get to Belize, and we know it will get to Belize in 3 days. So that's why we went with the cargo ship freighter, and I hope that our sneakers will get there on time.
All right. I hope your trip goes very well.
Thank you.
Back to you, Caitlin.